If you are struggling with operators reporting abnormalities and maintenance teams closing out F-tag and defect reports, you need to stop and check out Weever's Connected Worker platform. Abnormality reporting enables operational excellence by engaging employees, which increases accountability and ownership, identifying and correcting issues, and fostering a proactive improvement culture. However, if your staff find it hard to participate, there is no feedback loop, or they do not witness issues being resolved, they will become disengaged. Your program will decline and eventually come to a grinding halt. Weever's Connected Worker platform makes it easy to involve everyone in defect and abnormality reporting. With our industry-leading form builder, you can configure Weever to adapt to your unique needs. It is incredibly user-friendly and with the ability to attach photos and videos, which makes communication clearer. Not all defects are created equal, so Weever makes it easy for supervisors to be made aware of issues, quickly evaluate them, assign action items, and get the ball rolling. With automated integrations, Weever can instantly create work orders and push data to your CMMS. With two-way integration, updates in one system automatically update the other, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Weever also automates reporting, saving you time and providing instant access to insights and trends. With one site license, Weever keeps everyone in the loop. Get the most out of defect reporting with Weever.